Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva. Thank you for stopping by on this beautiful day. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be assembling something for the birds. Can you hear them? Listen. See, these birds are always present in the garden. And what I do enjoy is that they are respectful. They don't eat the crops unless, we leave them there for too long. Like, for example, a papaya may get overripe. And of course, yeah, they're going to eat them. But other than that, they leave the crops alone. So today, I'm going to reward them with something I know they will enjoy. So stay with me. This is where the bird feeder will be placed. The birds will have enough room to eat and to play. This is a 6-foot pole. Now I'm going to add what is called the baffle. The baffle is a squirrel deterrent, and it will be placed up here in a type of wobbly way. So if a squirrel tries to get to the food, it will wobble, and the squirrel will have no grip to do that. So that's what you'll see next. So here it is, and the instructions suggest that we put it at least 5 feet from the base so that the squirrel won't be able to jump over to get to the food. So it's way up here, and up here will be the other accessories with the food and so on. So let's continue with this assembly. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the accessory on which the food will be hung. I had to drop the baffle down a bit because the feeders were too close to it. So now I'm putting on the last piece where the feeders will be hung. Now if the feeders are too long, I think I will just get smaller ones. But for now, for the two that I have, we'll use them. Okay, make sure every piece is sturdy. Now for the hangers. This is where the food will be hung. Now I'm going to fill up the feeders and bring the food so you can see what it looks like. That's the top. Now I'm going to grease the baffle so that it won't be so easy for the squirrels. Yep, lots of grease right there. And here are the feeders. I put 2 cups of feed in there, and each of these feeders can serve, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. I'm also considering getting some bird baths for these. But in the meantime, I'm going to watch and see what the birds do. Now, here are some advantages of having birds in your garden. And by the way, there are many birds that live in this area. Some of them include the northern cardinal, there are doves, we have the red-bellied woodpecker, blue jay, mockingbird, Carolina wren, downy woodpecker, egrets, and many, many other birds. And during the winter, we have some visitors that come south. That's the bird feed installation here. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. And I hope you will watch with me as the birds come and do their thing. Yeah, I think I'm going to get some shorter feeders so that they go above the baffle. Okay, so let's see how long 2 cups of feed last. See you next time right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden.